Hello everyone, this is Ethan from National Powersports. Today we're going to take a look at this 2014 MV August Brutale 800 with 8,266 miles. Powered by a 798cc 3-cylinder engine with a 6-speed transmission, the Brutale puts out 125 horsepower at 11,600 RPM and 60 foot-pounds of torque at 8,600 RPM. It has a seat height of 31.9 inches and a dry weight of 368 pounds. It's equipped with a ride-by-wire system, traction control, and electronically assisted shift. Rather than describing any cosmetic flaws, which can be very subjective, we have taken this high-resolution video so that you can get an exact representation of what this bike looks like in real life. Our goal is to provide you the ability to virtually walk around the bike and inspect it as if you were here in person. Please take the time to watch the entire video. If you have any questions about this vehicle, our sales team can be reached at the number provided at the end of this video. They will be happy to assist you in any way they can. This bike has been fully serviced and detailed and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We've also purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. You can view this report by clicking on the link on the right side of the screen.